Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you that how to fix FPS stops or the stuttering error in the One Piece Odyssey. So I will show you the 6 methods to solve this error. I hope one of them will work for you. In our first method, we just need to update our graphic card drivers. For this, you have to just open your run box by pressing Ctrl plus R at once and then search here for devmgmt.mac and then click OK. So once you are in your device manager, you have to just find here an option of the display adapters. Just expand this option here and then right click on your graphic cards and then click on the update drivers, and here just click on the search automatically for drivers, and once you done it you have to just wait for searching. After completing this search, you can see that the best driver for your device are already installed. It means that my graphic card driver has been updated. So once you complete this step, you have to just restart your game and hopefully your problem will be fixed. Now moving to our second method, you have to just right click on your taskbar and then click on the task manager. Here wait for the opening of the task manager. Basically you have to just close all of the unnecessary and the background applications that are running while running your game. You must have to close all of these applications. For this, just right click on the application and then click on the end task. Repeat this process for all the background applications, and after completing this process you have to just close this window and then restart your game and hopefully your problem will be fixed. Sometimes it is enough to restart your system to solve this error, so you must try this method as well. Now moving to our next method, you just need to verify the integrity of your game files. For this, you have to just open your Steam library and then search here for your game. Right click on it, click on the properties, click on the local files and then click on the verify integrity of the game files. After completing this process, you have to just restart your game and hopefully your problem will be fixed. Let's move to our next method. You have to just right click on the Windows icon and then click on the settings. So in the settings, just click on the update and the security, and here in the left menu click on the Windows security and then click on the virus and the threat protection. After this, click on the quick scan and wait for completing this scanning process, as in some cases this error is causing due to the malware attack. So you just need to scan your system. After completing this process, you have to just restart your game and your problem will be fixed. It is more important to update your Windows to solve this error. So last and the final solution is that you have to just uninstall your game and reinstall it, but make sure that your system's requirement meet to the game's requirement. So doing so, hopefully your problem will be fixed. I hope this video will be helpful for you. For more information, you can visit my website whose link I have shared in this video's description. So leave a like and a comment for this video and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Thanks for watching.